guys, so we're here at Tonkin Specialty Coffee. So their specialty here is egg coffee. Pero itatry ko lang yun. Yun yung in-order ni ate. Ako, I just ordered the normal Vietnamese coffee because I don't really like eggs, especially when it's raw. We were supposed to get coffee at Sipley pero ang daming tao tapos ang kitid nung lugar. So andito, at least dito medyo malamig, okay yung vibe. It's more of like a restaurant than a coffee shop. Yung vibe niya, pero puro mga kape to. They also sell Robusta roasted coffee here. So if you wanna buy one, di ko alam kung magkano. Pwede kayong bumili dito. Ito yung Vietnamese coffee. This is just basically a cafe latte with Vietnamese coffee beans. May distinct taste talaga ang coffee beans ng Vietnam. Mas lasa mo yung pait kesa lasa mo yung tamis. Robusta. Masarap ate. Masarap yung akin. Ito. Ito try ko na yung egg coffee, guys. It doesn't smell like egg. By the way, ang egg coffee, yung egg yolk lang, hindi yung whole egg yung nilagay dito. And then they whipped it with sugar hanggang maging ganito. You know the origin of egg coffee? This was created during the war. Cafe ang tawag kasi may shortage ng milk or yung milk daw medyo mahal during that time. That's why they had to replace the milk with something else. So they replaced it with egg yolk. Ito siya.
Nagdala ka ng ice cubes nila.
Ito naman yung salted egg croissant nila. Yung filling nila is salted egg. Ay, ang sarap nito.
Dapat doon kasi hindi Instamaps.
It doesn't taste like salted egg. It tastes like salted butter. Ang harap siya, guys. Nasarapan ako.
I think. Custard. Parang siyang custard bun.
Yung croissant sa Pilipinas, guys, diba? If you order a plain croissant, they're just gonna give you a plain croissant. But here, it comes with condensed milk para may extra sweetness. Yung chocolate drink nila, it's like chocolate in liquid form. Diba yung iba kasing chocolate drink or cocoa drink, medyo super tamis, mas lasa mo yung sugar. Ito, lasang-lasa mo yung chocolate. So, it's like